Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. I've had the pleasure of testing the Dell 2026 16-inch touchscreen laptop for the past couple of weeks, and I must say, it's honestly one of those rare machines that just feels like it was built for real work, not just flashy specs. The kind of laptop that you can rely on to get things done, without any fuss or hassle. If you're interested in learning more, the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the performance is where this thing really shines. Inside, you've got a 10-core Intel processor that's basically an i7-1355U, paired with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory and a full terabyte of SSD storage. This is the kind of specs that you'd typically find in a high-end laptop, but what really sets it apart is how well it handles heavy workloads. I put it to the test by running 36 Chrome tabs, a couple of virtual machines, and a full Adobe Creative Suite session all at once, and it barely broke a sweat. I mean, we're talking about a laptop that can handle multiple resource-intensive tasks simultaneously without any noticeable lag or slowdown. For anyone juggling spreadsheets, video editing, or even light 3D work, this laptop keeps everything smooth and responsive, without that annoying lag you usually get when you push it. I've been using this laptop for everything from video editing to coding, and it's been a game changer. The fact that it can handle multiple tasks at once without slowing down is a huge plus, especially when you're working on complex projects. And the best part is, it doesn't feel like it's struggling to keep up. The performance is seamless, and it's clear that Dell has optimized the hardware to get the most out of the processor and memory. Then there's the display, 16 inches of FHD plus touchscreen that's bright enough to use in a sunlit room but still color accurate for photo work. I've been impressed by how good the screen looks, even in bright environments. The touch layer feels responsive, not mushy like some cheaper screens, and the 16:10 aspect ratio gives you a little extra vertical space for your taskbar and windows. I've watched full-length movies on it during flights, and the clarity is sharp enough that I didn't feel like I was squinting. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is excellent, making it perfect for watching movies, browsing photos, or even doing some light gaming. One of the things that I've been most impressed with is the keyboard. The Backlit keyboard is a lifesaver when you're typing in dim lighting, and the fingerprint reader adds a nice layer of security without slowing you down. I've been using the laptop in a variety of environments, from well-lit offices to dimly lit coffee shops, and the keyboard has been a pleasure to use. The keys are well spaced, and the backlighting is adjustable, so you can customize it to your liking. And the fingerprint reader is quick and accurate, making it easy to log in and out of the laptop. I also appreciate that Windows 11 Pro is already installed, so you're not stuck wrestling with bloatware or outdated drivers. This is a huge plus, especially for businesses or individuals who need a laptop that's ready to go out of the box. The operating system is optimized for performance and security, and it's clear that Dell has put a lot of thought into the overall user experience. In terms of design, the laptop is surprisingly sturdy for a mid-range business laptop. It's got that matte black professional look, but the chassis doesn't feel cheap or bendy when you pick it up. The hinge is smooth, and the screen stays put even when you're typing one-handed. I've been using the laptop on my lap, on a desk, and even on a tray table on a plane, and it's been solid as a rock. The build quality is excellent, and it's clear that Dell has put a lot of attention into the design and construction of the laptop. Battery life is also solid, with around 8 hours of mixed use, which is enough for a full workday without hunting for an outlet. I've been using the laptop for everything from browsing the web to video editing, and I've been impressed by how well it holds up. The battery life is consistent, and it's clear that Dell has optimized the hardware to get the most out of the battery. Connectivity is another win. Overall, though, this Dell 2026 hits a sweet spot between power and practicality. It's not the flashiest gaming rig, but it's built for people who actually use their laptops for work. If you're tired of underpowered budget machines or overpriced luxury models that nickel and dime you on ports and memory, this one's worth a look. It's a laptop that's designed to get the job done, without any fuss or hassle. and that's exactly what I've experienced during my time with it. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance touchscreen laptop, check it out using the link below.